Well, after playing each other last night in Seattle, it only took 22 seconds for a fight to break out tonight between the Chiefs and the T-Birds. On the power play, Mitch Holmberg faced Brendan Kitchen, and that's just pretty. Kitchen 7 makes it 1-0 early. Still in the first, it's Darren Kramer to Holmberg, who unleashes a rocket shot from the top of the right circle. Number 8 for Holmberg makes it 2-0 after 1. In the second, Corey Baldwin sends it in, and Dominic Uair scores off the redirect. Calvin Pickard didn't even know what happened on that play. Chiefs up a field goal, but back come the T-Birds. On the man advantage, Luke Lockhart finds Burt Gallimore for the first of his 3 goals. Seattle ties it at 3 and 4, then wins it in OT. 5-4 the final snap in the Chiefs' 6-game winning streak. Spokane will be at Everett on Friday.